just arrived in Promised Land, and this is the place.
Yeah,
That's my
we got a
boy.
small cabin. Let's go.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
it's
look
better
at
than
that.
the one that we
No,
had last time. We
it's a
wanted to know why,
cottage.
because it's not rustic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we want to show you, here's our man of the house. Okay, we're unpacking. We just came, and that's the huge lake. And going in, I'm gonna show you what's inside. It's really nice. So this is the cottage we got. There's a few more around here. And there's the barbecue grill. This is the, how do you call it? It's a porch.
Yeah.
There's a table. And there's a ring fired. What was it? Where's the ring thingy? You covered it! Papa, move your car away. You covered the ring. That's for the campfire.
There you go.
Okay, and okay, this is the back. That's the wooded place, and then there. And then I want to show you inside. It's really nice. Look at that. It's just like a hotel room. So this one is good for 5 people. And there's the bunk beds. Okay, you have kids, they can sleep there, and there's like bed for it's the big the 2 people can sleep there, and there's one at the top, and this is really nice. It's very clean. We have a heater. The only thing here is it doesn't have the refrigerator and the stove, just like the one we stayed last time in the rustic place. That one has a refrigerator and what's that? A stove and also a fireplace. Here it doesn't have a fireplace, but there's a heater if it's cold. There you go. So yeah, this is table. Show you the table. It's really neat. See, I just finished disinfecting the area, and we'll see the floor is really clean. It's very nice. Hundok and Jay, get group. Let's come here. See the ceiling, the light, the what is this? A chandelier. Right, this is the inside. It's really nice and it's very safe. Very nice. There's a screen door. And it's close to the lake. I mean, this is just one of the lake. There's like a couple more lakes away from here, but it's like big lakes. You can go boating. And right on that area is the beach. It's like a little far from here. And there's a place also where you can camp, like use a tent. So it's a really nice area. Okay. So that's all, guys. Oh. Say bye, Papa.
Hi guys.
It's been packing. We got like big rocks around here. It's really nice for family. And that's the bathroom area.